Oh yeah.
So yeah, I haven't mentioned anything.
We're in our of the Troll. It's not going well. Brandon has already got infected with something.
Ebola.
Ebola, yeah.
Regards to festival.
I got wench syndrome.
So Tim, tell me about you.
What do you want to know?
Genuinely, sincerely.
What gets you going? What makes you horny?
People who call you disgusting. Apparently, that's just a coincidence. I don't know.
Welcome aboard to passengers. Your
Well,
next
now
service
it's
to
pointing to you,
Amsterdam
isn't it?
is Tom and
Like,
Roger on your journey this evening. On this 2040 East Coast service
Brandon.
to Leeds, we shall be
See you in the reflection.
Doncaster, Wakefield, Westgate and Leeds.
Same.
With an expected arrival time of 21:49. This is Gone Point
We're going
Doncaster.
to be there in half an hour.
We constantly put stuff out.
Half an hour, do you hear that?
In all these different formats.
I'm ready.
Do you know what? I really don't even know what to say anymore.
We have a good time.
I'm out of like.
We're going to be home in half an hour. How do you feel?
Really good.
Going to the car.
I want to go to bed.
I'd rather shit in my hands in the park than go back to Doncaster.
I, on the other hand,
In fact, I wish I were dead.
It's not. I'm not having a go at all.
This is really depressing. You were told it for you.
I can swap.
Realistically, I can't mention it.
I checked my bag for a gun at security in the theatre, but if I had a gun I'd have used it on the trip. Plus they just let my coat fall out, and then just put a stupid yellow tag on it.
So it wasn't even worth it. It's not like it was a proper security check and I could have understood.
Well, when I go to drive, I literally
Stupid.
take the left and walk around again.
So we need
It's
to
like the
make
woman in the M&M factory. Get out.
people aware of what's going on around you.
Well, camera one.